According to our Chilliz cost expectation 2023, the token is supposed to have a most extreme cost of $1.05, with a base cost of 10 cents. Chilliz is supposed to arrive at the most extreme value level of 42 cents, as indicated by our CHZ cost expectation 2025. In view of our Chilliz coin cost forecast 2030, the normal cost of CHZ coin may be around 89 cents toward the finish of 2030. As of now, the Chilliz coin cost is exchanging around 10 cents, which is practically 4.6% down from the last week and 1% down from most recent 24 hours. Notwithstanding the negative feeling, Chilliz crypto has figured out how to hold its cost level above $0.099, starting from the start of 2023. This mirrors the likelihood that the Chilliz coin cost might go up and could raise a ruckus around town mark by 2025. In the event that you are searching for a Chilliz conjecture, our top-to-bottom examination means to respond to your inquiries like, is Chilliz worth purchasing? Might Chilliz at any point reach $10? Before we start with itemized Chilliz cost forecast, how about we plunge into the coin's specialized examination? Chilliz specialized examination. Chilliz was sent off in August 2019 and has been hyperactive from that point forward. In January 2020, it saw the greatest cost heightening to $0.009. Yet, this pattern didn't keep going long and tumbled to the mark of $0.004 because of the pandemic effect. The Chilliz coin cost spike that occurred in 2020 is corresponded to the declaration made by the Chilliz undertaking to put $60 million in the tokenization of media, brands, and retail. During November 2020, Chilliz's cost arrived at a lower $0.010, and till January 2021, it just showed a minimal recuperation. Nonetheless, the exhibition of Chilliz toward the start of 2021 has been shockingly a gift for financial backers, as the value shot to a degree of $0.05353 by February 2021. From that point forward, there has been no thinking back for CHZ on the cost front alongside volume. Starting from the start of WOC 2021, the cost of Chilliz has reflected enormous development, denoting another record-breaking high at the $0.8915 mark. Nonetheless, from that point onward, the token confronted a slight rectification, yet later, in November, it arrived at a high of 55 cents. In 2022, the CHZ token cost exchanged to reach somewhere in the range of 29 cents and $0.093 with a negative strain. Nonetheless, subsequent to hitting $0.1 the last December, Chilliz has denoted a moderate recuperation, and presently, it exchanges around $0.119. From the outset of 2023, Chilliz coin cost has figured out how to remain above $0.099. At present, it confronted areas of strength for an of $0.099, while a solid obstruction of 11 cents. We demand you do your own exploration proposing projected greatest cost, estimated value changes, and least cost, according to your assumptions for CHZ value prediction. Chilliz value expectation 2023-2030 CHZ will be the market pick and decision of gaming financial backers, particularly in light of the fact that it has endured for an extremely long period. Likewise, financial backers have found a variable of unwavering quality implanted in this money. The pandemic has been a genuine standard for fiat and digital currencies, conquering all obstacles. The Chilliz cryptographic money is set to hold a benchmark for its presentation later on, drawing in a significant games financial backer local area from the business sectors, outperforming all assumptions in light of the most recent fresh insight about computerized coins. At the hour of compassing this specialized investigation and Chilliz crypto cost expectation, the cost of the CHZ token was 10 cents, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of CHZ is $26,652,997. And the market cap of Chilliz was $703,195,308, with a coursing supply of 7,647,158 CHZ. CHZ coin cost expectation recommends that Chilliz could convey great returns by acquiring a sought-after position among computerized coins in the following couple of years. All the more critically, despite the fact that the new exhibition of Chilliz, CHZ, has not soared on the trade, ascending to brilliance. One conspicuous truth that arises here is that the cost of Chilliz is staying put, increment, and fill in the market in full sprout, according to our Chilliz cost expectation. Click here to become more about long-haul digital money forecasts. Chilliz value expectation 2023. As of late, Chilliz crossed the 17 cents mark in February, interestingly starting from the start of 2023. As per our CHC cost expectation for 2023, Chilliz is supposed to cross the degree of 26 cents. Before the year is over, Chilliz is anticipated to have a base value level of 10 cents. Furthermore, the CHZ cost is equipped for having a typical value level of 18 cents. Chilliz crypto value expectation 2024 CHC expectation for 2024 predicts that the most extreme cost and least cost to be 34 cents and 24 cents separately. The most probable Chilliz cost will be consistent at around 29 cents in light of our Chilliz crypto value prediction. Chilliz value forecast 2025, as per CHC cost expectation 2025, in a drawn-out situation, the cost of Chilliz is set to hurry up with other digital forms of money to obviously show up at the very least cost of 29 cents and a greatest cost of 42 cents inside a couple of days of its entering 2025. CHC figure depicts a stunning positive thinking anticipated for the CHC cost principally because of its steady presentation over the years. Chilliz coin value expectation 2026, violating all impediments more than 2026, would doubtlessly give indications of fortune for its financial backers. As per our Chilliz expectation, upheld by vigorous brilliant agreements, the most extreme value level of CHC crypto will be around 51 cents in 2026. Simultaneously, the base and normal costs are supposed to be around 35 cents and 43 cents, respectively. Chilliz expectation 2027, the street ahead is brimming with pedals, according to the CHC cost estimate, gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the Chilliz cost, taking it to cross all obstructions, scaling point of the most extreme cost of 62 cents. In correlation, the base and normal costs might be 43 cents and 53 cents separately. CHZ value forecast 2028 out of 2028, the CHC token will exchange at a limit of 74 cents with a base cost of 51 cents. Simultaneously, our Chilliz cost expectation shows that the symbolic will have a typical cost of around 62 cents for the whole year. Chilliz figure 2029, thinking about there are no unexpected shocks or a stony way forward for the digital currency market. Chilliz crypto cost forecast expects the cost is good to go to confirm serious areas of strength for its as a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. Chilliz's cost may effortlessly cross a most extreme cost of 82 cents, as indicated by our CHC coin cost expectation 2029. Chilliz value forecast 2030, in light of our CHC cost expectation 2030. The normal cost is supposed to be around 89 cents, with a likely low of 73 cents and a possible high of $1.05. The Chilliz cost changes in the crypto market are not supposed to be extremely unstable or have high risk. As per the Chilliz value forecast and specialized examination in 20